This is Randy from Mystery Madness Collectibles here opening up some sodas and some My Little Pony NFTs. But before we get into that, watch this and we'll be right back.
What's up, guys? Jeremy here from LSAPC and
Mitchie.
Hello, Mitchie.
Hi.
Guys, every year there are more than 10 million deaths worldwide due to cancer. That's 1 in 6 deaths.
There are more than 18 million new cancer cases diagnosed every year, and the number continues to rapidly grow.
Approximately 39.5% of men and women will be diagnosed with cancer in their lifetime.
Every one of us has been directly or indirectly affected by this deadly disease.
It's time to stand up together and fight. Through community action and fundraising, we can help supply the financial resources to the men and women who are fighting every day to improve treatment and hopefully find a cure.
So join us August 27th for our annual #FCancer fundraiser at youtube.com/LSAPC.
Together,
we can make a difference.
Yeah, we can.
And we're back. I've got some shorty sodas and some My Little Pony premium. Got 2 premium My Little Pony packs. So we'll open up these first. I've got a total of 6 of them. So one of these should be a chase in here. Just figuring out which one's to chase. There's a Pog in there. And he looks like the common. And he is, but he's pretty dang cool. He is pretty cool. He is 1 in 8,400. So that's pretty cool. All right. So that is a common. Let's go with this one. We'll open till we find the chase anyway. That's just a common. Just a common. Let's try this one. Yeah, that one opened awfully easy. Just a common. Use a Pog. Well, down to 3 here. We'll open this one up. It's got the fog in it. Just the common. So you're down to one of these two. Ah, there's the chase. Yeah, he is pretty cool. He's blacklight. Pretty friggin' cool. And he is 1 in 6,000. Pretty cool pog to go with this pretty cool. And I had to get him because, of course, he goes with his brother Spiky here. So there's both of them together. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. Pretty friggin' awesome. All right. Let me throw this away and then we'll get back to opening up these. My Little Pony packs. Ooh, these are some high numbers. Let's see. We'll go with the 15,052 first. See how we do. All right, we got a DJ Common. We got a Freddy Funko Spike Rare. We got a Pinkie Pie Common. We got a Royalty Epic. Rainbow Dash Uncommon. She's pretty cool. Twilight Sparkle Uncommon. Mud Pie, Mod Pie Common. Princess Luna Uncommon. I need that legendary on that one. Rainbow Dash Common. Freddy Funko Spike Rare. Uncommon Discord. Uncommon Luna Moon. Common Discord. Another common Discord. And our last one is common DJ. Not too bad. There were some epics in there. Alright, let's open our other pack. Royalty, common. Luna Moon, uncommon. Doctor Who's rare. Pinkie Pie, uncommon. I don't know if I have her. DJ Epic. Royalty Epic. Rainbow Dash, uncommon. Discord, common. Rainbow Dash, rare. Queen Celestius, epic. Pinkie Pie, uncommon. Princess Celestius, common. Trixie Luma, uncommon. Sunset Shimmer, common. And our last one is Derby, common. Yeah, not a good one. But that's just how it goes. Alright, I just want to say, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button and notification bell to be notified for next videos that are coming. And mad love to everyone that have subscribed and further ones that will subscribe. You all have a good day or good night. Depends on when you're watching the video. Thank you.